action. Ayo, what's up, Zulu gang family? It's your girl nqobile.mkhize ukhabazela umavovo ugcwabeka sihlanhla, and you know what time it is. Angihambi ngiwani, I'm going with
Sheila.
She is not a visitor in this channel. You guys know her from the previous videos. If you are new to the channel, welcome home. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And today we are talking about friendships, and we'll be sipping on some bubbles. It's a bubble Tuesday. Cheers. We are talking about friendships, everything friendships, what you don't like in a friend, how friends have betrayed you, how do you perceive friends these days, do you have many friends or few friends, just everything friendship wise, what works for you, what does not work for you in a friendship. So let's get to it. Sana, what's your ideal friend? Like, what is your ideal friend? If you say, Mina, this is the type of a friend that I want. Of course it's me.
I didn't have to answer that because I already answered. But anyway,
what's your ideal friend? Like, if you like Mina, I want a friend like this. Friends like this.
Okay, so Mina, my ideal friend is a friend that understands me. My friend needs to understand me, first of all. And secondly, no man, the friend must be a sweet person. They must be...
But you can't all be sweet because you are sweet. I feel like you need a friend that's going to be opposite that. Don't you think? Because you can't both be sweet.
Okay.
Not too much on my girl. It's giving, yeah, motherfucker. Not too much on my girl.
Okay, but yeah, anyway, the friend needs to be understanding because obviously both Mina and Umganelo, we have different lives. Yabo. Sometimes you'll find out that the friends that you get are more outgoing than you are. So they need to understand that sometimes you just don't feel like being in the streets. And if you don't feel like being in the streets, they need to understand that. And what's your ideal friend?
Why do I feel like you're talking to me indirect? I feel like this bitch is trying to... Because I'm actually the opposite of what she's saying. I'm the outgoing friend. So I feel like, and most of my friends are not like me. I don't know how, but most of my friends are just indoor people. They are not as outgoing as I am. So I feel like I need that one friend who's outgoing like me. I feel like it will make my life very easier. Because sometimes I need somebody to go out with and I can't find anybody because my friends are just not those people. So I think it depends on, yes, I love my friends because they are down and stuff, but I need that in so that's how I feel. I feel like friends should be alike. Friends should be, I want somebody who likes the same things as me. It will make the friendship easier. And I feel like we'll just flow in the friendship because if I say, oh, Choman, like, yeah, actually, and then, do you get what I'm saying? So I'm actually, no. Was on board and so cut off very fast, quick in a hurry. I'm joking because I don't copy it all.
Sana.
Actually, I do. How do you feel? What do you take as a betrayal in a friend? If you say that is a betrayal, like what are the things that, what am I saying? I want to phrase this correctly. What can you not tolerate? Tolerate is the word. What can't you tolerate in a friend? I can't tolerate a friend who does the same thing over and over again and says sorry. I can't. If, for an example, we say we're going out, right? And then you say, yeah, actually we're going. And then we don't go because of, maybe you have reasons, right? Sharp. And then second time, Chomi, we're going. Yeah, Chomi, we're going. And then you disappoint me again. Chomi, are we still going? Yeah, Chomi, we're going. And then you like, I'll never invite you again. So I can't tolerate a friend that does not pitch, because I am that friend that pitches for a friend. I know that for a fact. I pull up for my friends, and I find out that sometimes my friends don't pull up the way that I would have wanted them to pull up for me, or they don't pull up the way that I pull up for them. Like, I would miss my work for like a friend's birthday or something, but my friends don't do that. They'll be like, Tommy, please postpone. Why am I postponing my birthday? Whose birthday is it? but I can postpone my things for you. Do you get what I'm saying? So the imbalance, I cannot tolerate that. I'm sorry. Then let's not be friends. Let's be acquaintances or something. Oh, before you talk, I can't tolerate friends who don't know how to keep time. I can't tolerate. Who must I look at? Who else is in this house? I can't tolerate friends who don't keep. Yo, guys, please. If we said we are meeting for lunch at 2, 2 is 2. 2 you are not requesting, 2 we are there. That's it. I can't tolerate people who can't keep time because I'm always on time. Or 90% of the time. The only time I'm not on time is when I have to work. But when it's friends, I'm always on time. One thing about me, I'll be late for work, but not for friends outing, child.
Okay, yeah. So for me, I was gonna say that what I cannot tolerate is, okay, I feel like you must always be upfront with me. If you have an issue, just address it. If you feel like
don't hold
grudges, because sometimes some people are not good at talking, right? But also it's very important if something is bothering you about someone or that friend of yours did something to you, it's very important for you to say it, because once you hold grudges, rest assured the next person that's your friend will know about it, and you guys will start talking about it, and it's gonna hurt more. Yes, it's gonna hurt more if I start hearing it from other people than you saying it to me. So I feel like that's my and also if you're no longer feeling this friendship, you're free to tell me so I can let you go, because some people will just
you don't even have to tell me, block me
exactly. They will just go with the flow, but you can just see this person is not here anymore. Friendship is like a relationship, guys. People can feel it. I mean, people can
the energy that I give needs to be reciprocated.
It's like a relationship. So if you're not giving me the same energy, then it's not gonna work.
And then that's not a friendship, because friendship is a two-way. It's not a one-way thing.
Also, another thing is I like someone that's able to be friends with me and be friends with her friends. Don't.
So you're not the friend that gets angry when your friend is with her other friends?
No. As long as you have my time, obviously you need to have my time as well. Yeah, well, we must all feel important. Yeah, well.
So are you like a jealous friend? Because I know there's friends like you are spending more time with those ones than me.
Low key I am, but then I understand.
But with us, we don't have that because we stay together.
Exactly.
So with us, I think our external friends are feeling jealous about our friendship because we stay together. My friends don't also, because my friends stay with their men. All of my friends stay with their men. So mine, I don't think they would be jealous about that because they know we stay together. But from your side, are your external friends kind of like feeling some type of way that, okay, now you're spending time with this girl and you recently met this girl, and now it's like,
I don't think I have that friend. I don't think
that.
Also,
but there are friends like that. So in a friendship, I think like it's important to balance. For those that have that, it's important for you to balance the time that you give your friends, because your friends are from like different areas and everything. So if you are able to balance the equation, because I have got friends that are out of the province. Obviously, I'm not gonna see her as much, but when she is around, I'll prioritize her because she does not stay here, and stuff. And then the ones that are closer, obviously, I'll see them anytime that I'm seeing them. So I think it's just a balanced thing. So do you find it difficult to get your friends? Because let's say, also you don't have many friends.
I don't.
Because I was gonna ask, do you find it difficult to like bring your friends together? Because I had that situation. There was a time when it was my birthday, so I created a group, and I've got like, I have friends everywhere. So the other ones are just like, now these ones are on this group, and it was just like wishy-washy, man. And I was just like, I'm never bringing these girls together again unless it's my birthday. But even if it's my birthday, I'll tell them whatever that I need to tell them one by one. I'm not gonna create a group, and now it's gonna look like I'm taking this one's ideas and I'm not taking these one's ideas. So the jealousy card comes there. And also because I used to work with my friends, and then we just became friends. So the friend that I was with at the time, that I started being friends with, felt like my energy has shifted to the latest friends, which was not the case.
I don't have a lot of friends, so that one is
Why
not
don't
for
you
me.
have a lot of
But
friends, if I
also,
may ask?
I
Are you
prefer
scared,
small-
or
I
did
prefer-
friends hurt you, or
No, I prefer a small circle
Circle.
because I feel like I'm able to handle when
you
the
can't
circle
work
is
under
small.
pressure? You cannot work
Because
under
now-
pressure.
Yes, I'm able to handle. Yeah, but also, friend groups always have problems, guys.
True.
They always have problems.
Well,
There'll always be
very
those
true.
two favorites that are always talking behind our backs. And then they come here and then we're all smiling.
in a group, there's always gonna be those ones that you're always gonna have that one that you are closer to, and the other one
Yes.
will have the one that they are closer to. It's just like that. I mean,
Asham, I'm not a fan of group friends or friend
Group
group,
friends,
whatever.
right?
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
guys,
Because
I
also-
love friends. I don't know why. Even now, I'm looking for a new friend. Like, I love friends. I'm looking for a travel buddy, basically, and a group buddy. So you can DM me. If you're a group buddy, me, guys, I love friends. I love having people around. I don't know why, but like, I just love having people around.
I also don't mind friends, but I feel like my problem is also I like my own space. So also when I don't feel like talking, I just don't feel like talking. You see, with you it's
You
different
don't have
because
to
we're in
talk.
with you it's different because we're in the same house. So yeah, but also
But if you
I'm
don't
not
want to
a
talk, you don't
very-
have to talk. If you don't want to text back, if I send you a text, you don't have to send the text back if you don't feel like
Yeah,
talking.
but
You
some
send
people
it the
get
next day.
offended because I mean, like I'm texting you, why are you not responding? But
So
also,
wait,
yeah,
in that moment where you don't want to talk to anybody, are you active on social?
I'll be active, just browsing.
Then I'll also be offended because it means, what does it mean? You are
It
on your
means
phone,
that-
you saw my text and you ignored it on purpose. So I would be offended unless maybe you were busy. But if I'm gonna send you a text, you read the text, and then you decide to post the status or whatever, and you don't respond to me, it's offensive.
It is, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of group friends. I prefer, with my friends, I like friends that are there and there and there and there, not in one place. Now we become.
But you're gonna have a birthday. They all have to come.
They're all gonna have to. Obviously, they're all gonna come and meet and greet.
But
they
besides
go
that,
back to
you
their
would
own
never mix
places.
them.
Yes,
get
I don't
you.
like mixing friends. Yeah, because also, once it's a group, it's gonna.
Yeah, groups never
Maybe
end
the
well.
group,
Hey,
okay,
groups
group
never
that I
end
can
well.
do 4 or 3, but also I'm not very sure.
Groups never end well.
They
Groups
never.
Unless, like, I think I don't know. It requires a level of maturity. in a group.
Exactly.
What has a friend done to you that you felt like this is betrayal? Like, this bitch betrayed me.
Okay. So I had this other friend name, and then I remember that other time, I was going through a lot of shit, and she knew all my problems right at that time. And the friend just disappeared out of the blue. She started posting this other friend of hers. Obviously, I'm replaced like that because she was like my best friend.
Oh, shame.
She was like my best friend, so obviously she just replaced me.
You with
And
the
then
other
now
one.
when I text, I don't get a response, but she's posting. Yeah,
Oh no.
so
Okay,
I just felt-
Sana.
but it was the thing that when you obviously you're gonna have this person that you tell your things to, yeah, your problems too. So that one
There's
just
always that one friend that
disappeared.
knows everything about you.
That one just disappeared, and then I was just like.
So
I
is that
remember
how
I
the
would
friendship
text her.
ended?
Yeah, we just stopped talking because obviously I would text her, she's not responding, and we just stopped. And then she's busy with this other friend. She has a best friend now. All of a sudden, that's not me. Yeah, so I was
that
just
made you
like, it's
feel
fine.
bad with Cyber girl. I tell
That's
you my
fine.
problems. Most probably you were even thinking she's discussing my problems with that other one.
Yeah, even if she was not, but I just feel like Uguti, at least had she told me Uguti, this is because I remember she texted me also on Facebook and she was like, where do I stay? She wants to meet and all that, and I was just like, I'm not interested. Obviously, we had to go back to whatever happened before, and I did say that, dude, I don't think I want that energy anymore. If you can just switch up, because I'm a very
you are capable of doing it again.
If you can just switch up, but I also feel like I care.
Yeah, the fact that you're sensitive means that you care.
Yeah, but I also feel like I have that thing, I just, not that I just switch up, but sometimes I can just be quiet. Then I realize later that, oh, flip, this person. Yeah. But also, okay, yeah, she did that. So the friendship ended, and then I moved on with my life. I don't know what's happening with hers now, so.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
I don't think, is there anything that a friend has betrayed me?
Oh, also, this other one dated my but also that one, I feel like also it's because I was already
your ex or your boyfriend at the time.
Not my boyfriend, my ex.
Okay.
So it was not that deep, but I just felt
girl code. I cannot date my friend's ex.
I've actually had 2 friends that dated my ex.
Did they know that you dated those guys?
Well, the first one knew.
No, that's foul.
She was hiding.
That's
it.
foul. You can't date your friend's ex, especially if you are aware of it. Maybe let's say, to me, I did not know.
And then when I found out, she was like, I didn't want to hurt your feelings, but yeah, it's happening. And I was just like, you just need to be honest. Because I was even the one that forced her to be honest. I'm like, but you just need to be honest, bruh. And then you can move on. Mind you, dating in private.
I think I would appreciate if a friend comes to me and say, yo, friend, so this is what's happening between me and X, and you know, I kind of like him. How would you feel? Take my feelings into consideration because we are friends. I don't think I would deny my friend to date my ex if she's feeling him like that. But at least the fact that you told me about it means that you respect my feelings. So if you're going about it privately, it's raising an eyebrow. Like, girl, were you eyeing him the whole time me and him were together? Because as girls, we discuss things. We even discuss sexual lives. So it's like, okay, so if I was telling you that this guy does this to me, it means we know you were craving him. Do you get what I'm saying? So no, girl, I've once dated a friend's ex. She did not tell me. So when along the line, then she's like, you know, I dated that guy. I'm like, but why didn't you tell me? Because I wouldn't have gone there. She told me already, saying inside. And I'm like, if you are having a problem with it, to me, I will leave him. Because also between me and the guy was honestly not that deep. And we were still in high school. She was like, nah, it's fine. Because me and him was never that deep either way. So I was just like, oh, okay, then it's cool. But then, yeah. But I never looked at the guy the same way after my friend told me that this is my ex. I was just like, this is wrong in so many.
Mina, the second one, the second one, it became a big deal back in high school. So I was dating this guy.
Nazin high school. Let's start
high school dolo.
Nothing
beyond was happening. I mean, we're not like, because we didn't know any of those things. So I was dating that guy. I was dating that guy, and then obviously we broke up, and the guy used to post me on Facebook.
All of a sudden.
Okay, fine. We
10 plus 4.
We broke up, right? So now this friend of mine dates him. I remember the guy was even younger than her. This friend of mine dates him. The relationship goes on and on. Okay, their relationship was serious, but now also I saw, and then I remember I asked her, and then she was denying it. Eventually, I remember the guy even came back to my DM, and then obviously wanted to talk. At that time, we're even like living in the same hood. So, okay, we're talking, and then we met eventually. Then when we met, the guy said they're no longer dating with the girl.
So
they were dating, but they're no longer dating. Me, it's not that I wanted the relationship. I did not. But obviously, it's just someone that I was talking to, and
so you went back.
Not that I went back, but we just talking. We never fucked, nothing.
Oh, okay.
I don't even know the.
Because I was gonna be like, yeah, I later some.
No, we never thinking. So Mina, what I did was, after I found out that they're not dating, I remember there was this mutual friend that we had. I don't know what the conversation was about, but we ended up mentioning the fact that these two were dating and then they're no longer dating. Apparently, the girl heard. And she started posting everywhere, Facebook, WhatsApp, that I want her, please, when you see her, tell her that I'm gonna beat the shit out of her.
So they're gonna beat you.
They're gonna beat
for
me.
Your ex.
Yep. I want her. Please, when you see
it's
her.
been
and I remember
also,
I texted her. And I was just like, and I remember I texted and I was just like, bruh, I don't want your boyfriend. But also, I would prefer if you have a problem with me, come to me. You don't have to go to social media because that's not what I did. See, I'm coming to you directly.
If you want to come to me, don't go through the corners. Come direct.
And then she blocked me. She blocked me and then was busy on social media. Obviously, we have mutual friends.
And so they are going to
people
tell
will
you.
send me the screenshots. And I'm just like, what is this drama all about?
Also. Like, if you want to say something, come to me and say it in my face. One thing about me, I'll say it to you on your face. Like, I don't care. I'll say it in your face. Sorry.
I just felt like it was unnecessary, bruh. You have a problem with me now. Why should everyone else know about it? Also, it's not like I wanted the guy. We were just talking. And then we met, and then that was it. We did not do anything. We're just talking. Yes, he lied, but is it my fault? And it's not like I wanted the guy back.
Also, I don't understand this thing of women fighting each other for a guy. If the guy's paying you guys, why are you guys not fighting a guy? Why are you fighting each other? And they know that you guys are going to fight each other. And you guys prove them right. So it's okay, we're going to fight. I've never fought. Actually, I did. I once, but then later I realized it was actually like that was so stupid. Like, I would never fight a woman for guy. I would fight guy because girl did not call him. Unless I'm such a silly. That's the question. Yeah, and I was such a so yeah, no. Friends, no.
That's why it's very important, to, even if your boyfriend, your friends know your boyfriend, there must be
boundaries. Thank you. Boundaries.
There must be boundaries. It must be hello, hi, bye. Unless you met through, then that one is different.
Yeah, that's a different case.
Yes, but it must be hi, bye. They must not have each other's contacts. No.
Why are you having my boyfriend's contacts?
No.
Like, why? If I introduce you to my boyfriend today, maybe we are at the groove or in a gathering, and then you guys exchange numbers for in. It does not make sense at all. You can't have my boyfriend's numbers unless we are in the same circle and guys like that. Like, I can never. I'm not a friend like that who wants what my friend has. I'm a friend who loves it when my friends are enjoying life. Like, chop life, my friend. Life is nice, but I'm not going to now wish what you have just because you've got this or your parents are doing this for you. Now I also want the same thing. You are buying this shoe. Now I want this shoe as well. You're buying this bag. Now I want this bag as well. No, live according to your own level and be content with it. Let the other person live in their own level. Be content. Be happy for them. I don't want a jealous friend. Fortunately, I've never had a jealous friend. I've never had it. I think also it's because my friends and I don't like different things. So it's never jealous. I've never been jealous of my friends to say, oh, you have this, I don't have this. Because we like different things. You have this, you love it for you, my darling. I have this, you better love it for me as well. I don't think, I've not been that...
You've never been...
Yeah, unlucky to where I've got friends that are jealous of me, except in high school, those stupid things in high school.
Yeah.
But besides that, now that we are grown-ups, I don't have friends who are jealous of me, and I'm not jealous of any of my friends or in whatever that they achieved. We are all happy for each other in our own different levels of life. And that's how friendship is supposed to be. Be happy if your friend is flourishing. They will be happy when you are flourishing. Don't wish to have what they have. Don't wish them bad. To say, I wish it was me. Your time is coming. God's timing. We came in the world alone, So you're gonna have your own timing, and they also going to have their own timing, and that's it. That's on period. You can't be jealous because now
And sometimes,
I have, you know,
just be motivated that you see someone
exactly. Take that as a motivation.
As much as you're gonna feel like I'm not, it feels like I'm not doing
I'm
it.
left
but
behind.
it's a motivation. Exactly. If you get something at work, I feel motivated, or I feel like, maybe I should do more. Yeah, but so don't feel like why is she achieving and I'm not? Otherwise, I wanna get once it gets there,
the jealousy comes in, and then now it's not a friendship. That's a toxic friendship now, because even if I tell you things, when inside you are saying the opposite. It's like, yo, I wish I had that. I'm telling you, why my man got me this. Oh, I wish my man did too. I'm at the tower fan.
Don't say why is she getting it. Say
why not
let me work harder
to get that.
To get there.
Yeah, so friends are not supposed to be jealous of each other. Instead, encourage each other to do more. Have you ever betrayed a friend? I have. I think I started.
No, I've never, guys.
I've betrayed a friend.
Mina,
well, she was not really my friend.
Mina, I have this thing before I do something.
If it was
I
done
always
to
think
you,
about the next person. If it was done to me, how would I feel? And then that answer will stop me from doing it.
What if the friend did it to you first and now it's a revenge?
But also, I've never done revenge.
Funny story, I was still in high school, and this revenge was on behalf of my other friend. So we are a group of friends. We were a lot. I think we were like 7 or 8. So one of these girls, I can tell you, in a group, you're gonna be closer with this one. This one is gonna be closer with this one. So this other one slept with my best friend's boyfriend, right? Not knowing that her own boyfriend wants me. Yeah, so my friend told me, and she was crying, yo, mang slept with my man. I went and slept with her man, because what you're doing to my best friend, I'm gonna do it to you, and let's see how it felt. I didn't even like the guy like that, and we did whatever we did, and then that was it. And we had to make sure that she finds out, because we also found out that she was busy with my best friend's man. Yeah, it's disgusting. Also, what I did was disgusting, but hers was intentional. Mine was intentional too, but like for me it was a revenge. It was not a thing of like I'm gonna take the man away from. I actually don't. I feel like the lady was just, I don't know, maybe it's because of the home that she was coming from. She always wished to have what other people have. That's how she was back in high school. That's how she was, I feel. She would never wish you good. She would always want to be somebody else. She would always make sure that she does things to fit in. She would borrow clothes so that she can, she was just always wishing to be somebody else. And girl,
no, I don't think I've betrayed a friend.
Yeah, I think that was the most disgusting that I've ever done. I think that was, although she was not like my friend. Now, if you ask her, she was not my friend. We were just in the same circle. But still, it's wrong because I know her and I know she's with this person. But I mean, we were in high school, stupid. Today, I wouldn't do that. If my head were not, I'm not going to fight your battles at all.
I've never been in that situation. Hey, I've never. But I've had friends betray me, but I've never betrayed anyone. Most of the time, when I get betrayed, I distance myself. Like I just leave. I just leave.
You exit.
Yep.
Shut the front door.
Yep. I don't.
Have you ever done something like to your friend that you did not mean to do, and you're like, I'm gonna keep this a secret? You did not mean to do it, but it happened anyway. Or I don't know. Like, yeah, but have you ever done something to your friend and you're just like, nah, this one I'm gonna keep it a secret. I'm not gonna tell her. Because if maybe I were to tell her, she would look at me in a different eye, or I wouldn't like her to do that to me.
Done something to them, or done something for myself, but never told them.
No, done something to them. something that if they were to find it out, they would get hurt. For an example, let's say you sleep with my ex and then you don't tell me and you're like, this one I would never tell her. This secret would die with me. So do you have a secret that you will die with? You like, none of my friends can ever find it.
I actually have that right.
I also have! I was feeling awkward. I'm like, there's something that I'll never tell my friends that I've done.
Well,
I'm like,
I feel like it's
I
not
would be
as
buried.
bad, but
It's not as bad as to me as a but like, it's like if somebody were to do it to me, I'd be like, But it's not bad. But it's like, you know, it gives that eye.
A friend of mine has dated someone that
You've dated.
not dated, but did the
Fuck
things.
buddies, oh yeah.
Not
Whose
even
ex
fuck
was it?
buddies,
Was it
they-
your ex or was it her ex?
No, she's dated that. Okay, she dated that person after we did the things.
Okay, but that's not.
But
that's
also,
nothing.
I just it's
You didn't tell her
nothing.
that person.
Yes,
used to be a
because
fuck
she
buddy.
liked the person, and I just didn't.
No,
want
but then
also I'm the one that motivated the whole situation, because I felt like, you know, there's those people that you're gonna like hook up with once, and then you feel like, no, we're good as friends. And then
But that's not a bad
start
thing from your
dating.
side, because you slept with the guy first.
Yeah.
So that's not a bad thing from
But
your
also, I
side.
feel like I was supposed to be honest about
It's
it.
like what I was saying earlier. Yeah, exactly. It's like what I was saying earlier on. I dated a guy, my friend did not tell me that that's her ex. So you did the same thing, but that's not a bad thing.
Yeah, that's the only thing that I've done, I think.
Like,
unless I don't
me,
remember, guys. I'm not
even
perfect.
gonna say it.
I'm not perfect. I probably don't remember, but yeah. So
me, as
far,
I've said, the secret will die with me. I'm never gonna say this.
what is it?
I won't say it. No, because I'm gonna have to. Then it's like me telling. I'm just gonna have to die with this one. It's not that bad, but I'll never say it.
Sana. Not even hinting. But yeah, we all have those secrets, guys. We
This
don't
one-
say.
None of my, even my friends that have known me from high school, none of them knows about. I would.
Are you going to the
I
grave
will,
with it?
you might as well just bury me today because I will not reveal the truth.
I'm just wondering what happened.
I would never.
I'm just wondering what happened. The thing is with me, I'll do something and I always, you'll know about it. I'll tell you.
Yeah,
Because
you can keep. This
They
girl
don't
will not
tell
even
me
keep a
yet.
secret about your own birthday. This girl told me my man is gonna do cake for me, and my man did a cake for me. I already knew, so it was not a surprise. But I had to act surprised. But she'd already told me I'm getting a cake. She cannot keep. She cannot keep a secret.
I can't. Ever.
She cannot keep a secret. So
One
if
day.
ever they were to say, okay, I'm gonna propose a friend, when one James was on proposal,
I'll give you hints. If I need to go to they're proposing, but I'll give you hints of what, yeah, which ring do you like? Which ring do you Jonga, I'll take you to
my
American
future boyfriend,
Swiss.
do not talk to this one. She will tell me. She will
I'll
tell
take
me what irritates you about our friendship. What do I do that irritates you that you don't like about me as a friend? For an example, me, what can I say? I don't like how you are not always on time. You struggle with timekeeping. What else? When Sheila packs, guys, Sheila just packs. Like, she just packs.
That's how.
Like, for example, the dishes in the cupboard, she'll just put. I want them to be closed and packed. So she just puts them inside the thingy.
You know,
and I'm just like,
what my problem is. I would rather hide them in the cupboards than having them lying around.
Instead of even if they're inside the cupboard, I want them to be closed and packed. Like,
No,
close them and
as
pack
long
them.
as it's hidden.
As long as it's hidden.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. When it's the noise. Oh,
Shame.
yo, I remember this other day I
Guys,
was like,
I play music, I sing
hold yourself.
all the time.
Yeah, when I with music, yo.
She stays with an artist. She's supposed to
Like-
know. Next thing is going to jail and ngizokuvusa ngegqom. Zisazokhala.
Yeah, and
La,
then when I have to go to the
la,
street. Another thing, this one. will parent you. When I have to go to the streets, yo, the things that she'll say, you'll stay in the house.
No, but those things show that I care.
This one, I remember this
But
other time I was just
can't-
like, this other time I was just like, you know what? Save it because I'm going.
I'm that friend. Tell me you've arrived. You can't just go and then you left me in the house and then I don't know whether you've arrived or not. I need to know whether you are safe or not. Tell me, okay, now I'm safe, I'm settled. Then I'm also going to have a peace of mind, I'm going to realize. Because once you're on the road, I don't know what's going to happen. Do you get? So I am a mini parent, Shem. I don't want to lie. I am a mini parent. I must be a friend, not a parent.
Yes.
So,
No, don't say, you don't
Did
have
go
to say
to-
how much home, you know? I feel like sometimes obviously it's good in a way, but okay, obviously because it's me, so feel like ish. Yabo. But also I'm not saying Uguti, when you feel like something is wrong, you must keep quiet. Or if you feel like this one you're not supposed to do it, at least you think about yabon. Yeah. Then you can say it. Then you can say it.
It all comes from a good heart. Is that all that you had? The noise and the
The
parenthood.
noise and the parenthood. What else?
So she wants a
I don't
friend, not a
think-
parent. Akafuna umzali. Ufuna umngani, not umzali. You said the bad. What's the good?
What's the good? Brother, there's a lot of good. I'm just okay.
Give it to me.
I don't know what to say.
I'm here for it. Give it to me. Give it to me.
I don't know what to say. But also, okay, with the good, I feel like we make good friends because you take out the good in me. You also, I feel like I've also experienced a lot of things that I didn't know before.
Through
now,
me.
through you. Yes. Like I've done a lot of things now.
Give me
First
some
off,
champagne. What I'm joking.
Jonga. But also, yeah, I feel like I've done a lot of things with you. Never mind clubbing. We don't go clubbing a lot, guys. We don't do clubbing that much.
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh, what do you call yourself on thingy?
On what?
On this thing? Nqobile, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nqobile ne. We've actually done a lot to improve our lives together.
True.
We've done a lot.
True.
First of all,
True.
the place like living arrangements, just exploring
Like we're
life
always
together
encouraging each other to
do
more.
better.
Mhm.
Yes, that I feel like I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Way too happy with that. And also, like she said, we live together. So far with the living arrangements, I'm good. I don't have complaints except the music.
And
The
I don't
music.
clean.
She does not clean. Yo, also that one. Okay, well, you do. At least if you
I
don't
do.
clean, don't make the house dirty. So I feel like obviously the house will have that dust.
But
and
I don't
will
make it that
sweep, But
dirty.
she does not make it
That
dirty.
I'm not dirty, but I'm not OCD. She's OCD. Like
Yeah.
Mina, I clean the normal cleaning. She cleans
Mina,
the
I
spring
clean.
cleaning. Mina, I
Yeah.
clean like once a month. Against spring cleaning once a month.
Jonga, I'll even if I find one small thing on the floor, I'll pick it up with my hand because I prefer, I love a clean space. I love a clean space. So that I'm fine because also she loves cooking. I'm not a fan of cooking. I cook once.
Hence
in
we
a while.
balance each other. She cleans, I cook.
Yes, I cook
Perfect
once in a
sense.
while. But yeah, the good things, man. We've actually taught each other a lot. I recently did my learners. I'm about to do my learners because she convinced me to do it.
You go.
She convinced me to do it. If you see me driving on social media,
And I feel like she's gonna get a car before me, which I don't have a problem. But like, bitch,
yeah,
I'm gonna be a passenger princess of Salaya. I'm gonna be a
yeah,
passenger
but,
princess.
like we've done a lot of good things together. We have our mini Tuesdays lunch. When you have money, you'll see us out.
It's either we're doing
Jonga.
bubbles or we're doing sushi.
Yes, Nje.
Yep.
Like that's the kind of friendship we barely go out to groove. That's not the friendship that
unfortunately.
We have like the bonding.
Also, I think it's because of our work
friendship.
schedule.
Yeah. For me, yeah, just everything in general, man. Obviously, there'll always be that one thing that's gonna annoy you with someone, but okay, there's more good than bad.
Annoy?
Yeah, the music annoys me.
Oh. Fuck my headset. But
No,
also,
I don't
lately
mind
I
music.
put headset. Lately I take your headset because
Yeah.
now I know that
I
the
don't
music
mind it,
irritates
ne?
you.
But when I'm sleeping, because that day.
Also, I didn't know that day you were sleeping because it was
sleeping.
10, it was 12, 11. I didn't know she was sleeping.
And then when I usually
You wake up first than me. So obviously, when I wake up, I'm thinking she's wide awake because she wakes up before me. I'm the one who wakes up last. So when I wake up, I'm thinking. And also, you went to the bathroom, so I thought you were awake.
No, after you played music, Shem, I never slept after.
Sorry.
I don't have a problem with music, but sometimes, obviously, I just prefer a quiet space. But okay, it's not like I don't have a problem. Now I make noise every now and then.
Because now I make like around whenever I play music, I just play music out loud. It doesn't make sense for me to play music low. Nala go like
because Sana wakupi hub.
I'm just whoa, but when the kupi hub, it's over. It's over. Everything, movie series, I play out loud.
Yeah. So your side, what are the good things?
What are the good things? She's sweet. Oh, she's so sweet. Shame. Sheila's so sweet, and also she's giving. Like she has a good heart. I believe. I always thank God for her because I feel like we met, even though we met under circumstances. We used to date friends. She was already dating the other friend when I met the other friend, you know. But I feel like it was the right time because when I met her, I was jobless, and then she plugged me with the job that I have. So I'm always grateful for that. So she always want to see people flourish, and she's nice, she's down. And then, what else do I like? She listens to me. If I want to vent, I know I'm just gonna go inside that room and just vent whatever, and then we're gonna make a joke about it, and we're gonna laugh. We will not cry, but we will laugh about it. And I'm just glad that I have somebody that to talk to every day and listens to me, and somebody who's kind. Like she's very soft. Like as I told you guys, I've got like soft friends, so she's very soft. She's just like, yeah, what she said, not too much on my girl. Yeah, what she said. She's just like that. And I also like the fact that we like the same things. If I said let's go play games, we're going to play games. If I said let's go to watch movies, like we like almost the same things. We like almost the same things, and that's what I love. And she doesn't, yeah, man, she does not complain. I had friends who are nagging or complain. Like, I think it's because we know each other's strengths and weaknesses.
Yeah.
You know that you are the cleaner. I know that I'm the cooker. So I would never complain when I'm cooking, and she doesn't complain if I don't clean. It's a balanced equation, and that's if you stay together with your friend. If you don't stay together, this is irrelevant. But you know, friendships need to be balancing each other. And yeah.
And
she's literally my best friend now.
We don't fight.
We don't fight. We only fought once, and I feel like that fight made us even more stronger. We fought once, and that fight, I feel like it made us even more stronger. But yeah, we don't fight. I don't think we'll ever fight. We can disagree on things. It's normal. We're human beings with different characteristics, but we don't fight. Fighting is not a thing.
Yeah, I feel like, Nyani guys, when you have a friend, you must have a lot. You must actually learn a lot from that friend. You can't have a friend that's only going to be good enough to go to grow.
True.
You can't have a friend
that's only a useless friend, basically.
You can't have a
You're
friend
not getting
that's only
anything from the friendship.
Exactly. You can't have a friend that's only asking you for things. You guys have to go out. It's you that's paying. What I like also about us, she can take me out. I can take her out.
Whoever
with
has
my money,
yeah.
with her money. Like, you can't have a friend that depends on you.
That depends
to
on
come,
you all the
to come
time.
to you, they depend on you. To go out, they depend on you. At least you pay that 50 rand, that 100
balance
rand.
The equation.
Balance. Also, yes. Also, I'm not saying the friendship must be about money. When she's broke, I know she's broke. When I'm broke, she knows I'm broke. And she'll take care of us. She'll take care of us. That's how, I feel like that's how we we made our friendship. But also, people are not the same, so they might not work for other people. So, But for me, Shem, I'm happy where I am. I'm happy with where we are.
Yeah, and I feel like we've grown so much. Also, we don't even have like a year knowing each other. Okay, we have a year. Yeah, we have a year and few months.
Yes.
But like the way that we are now surpasses the other friendships that we have externally. Do you get what I'm saying? We are more closer than the friends that we have had
and
in
funny enough,
years.
Even before we started staying together. We would still talk like almost every day.
Yeah.
We
she got offended when I thought we're not friends.
No,
like she got really offended.
No, but
I was so shocked because I didn't take her as a friend at the time. So I was not gonna lie to you and say you are my friend when you're not.
You know what led to that conversation?
I don't remember.
Also, what happened was, you remember, Mina, when I'm not around everyone, I would just like vanish. So you had a complaint about that. And then I remember we talked about it, and then you had this thing, Yoguti. Anyway, I understand because
we're not friends.
We were to break up with my boyfriend,
we would not have to see each other.
Yes. So I understand. So Mina,
at the time, that's how it felt.
That's how you feel.
But you were offended because at the time, honestly, at the time, our friendship was not strong.
We became good friends. I think that's the most important.
I feel like for me, it's even more than a friendship. I feel like I found a sister. For me, it's more than a friendship. She's like my sister. Like we tell people we're cousins and stuff. So for me, she's not even like a friend anymore. She's like a sister. Like what would I have done except sleeping with your man? Obviously, if you sleep with my man, I will cut you off. But what I'm saying, what can ever like make this friendship break?
Fighting physically. I don't like fighting.
Okay.
I hate fighting. I feel like it's better we talk about it. You can be mad. You lock yourself in the room. Eventually, we'll talk. We'll fix it. But fighting physically. Just I draw the line. Like I feel like that one, because once you fight someone physically, there'll always be that picture of you fighting me. Yes. So I feel like fighting physically, I don't like fighting. I don't have
I'm Zulu, she's closer, so she fights with her mouth, I fight with my hands.
I mean, I can't even fight with my mouth. That's the thing. I keep quiet. I'm a very quiet person. I keep quiet. So
I think be like physical fight.
Yes, fighting.
For me, I don't know. I think it will be like maybe distance. Should something take me away, and we should live like in different countries or in different areas or live separate. Yeah, I feel like that would because I've got friends that are still friends, but like the fact that we are not in the same. For me, that's the only thing that could like say, oh, okay, like we've grown up. It wouldn't be like our friend is off, but it would be just like, okay, it's no longer the same as before.
Yeah.
But
I'm also not good with this
long
distance. Yeah, I'm not. But for me, just fighting. I'm not. I wouldn't say I can't fight, but I'm able
to know fighting.
I'm able to control my anger. I'm able to shame. I really am. But other than that, I don't think there's anything else.
Yeah, man.
Except sleeping with my man. Yeah. But if you lala nae,
I'm joking.
I don't know. It would depend.
That would also be disgusting.
Yes. Also, it would depend how the whole thing started, because
it does not depend on anything.
But also sometimes we can fight and forgive. Remember?
No, I would never forgive you for sleeping with my man. I don't care if you guys were intoxicated. I would never forgive you for sleeping with my man. I would never forgive you for sleeping with my man. Never. Because I would never do that to you. Also, why am I intoxicated with your man alone? Where are you at that time?
Where am I?
Why am I intoxicated with your man? Which goes back to what we were talking about. Why are you having my man's numbers?
Yes.
I think we're done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. This was a discussion just about friendships, and I hoped it helped in any way to mend friendships or to break friendships with those that you think are not worth it. And that's it from me and my friend Buhle. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the video and hit the subscription button. You can also comment. I'm going to share our social media handles on the description button. You can follow us on our friendship and everything else. And that's just about it. Thank you. Bye. Spread the love. Love your friends. Love yourself first though. Bye.